Hello everybody, welcome to Natech. Today, we're reviewing the Phanteks Neon RGB strips. One of the best ways to light up your system is an RGB strip, but there's a lot of them on the market, and it's kind of confusing which one to buy and which one's the best. And the RGB strip that I'm reviewing today is hands down one of the coolest RGB strips for a cheap price. I got this for $26 on Amazon. So on the actual box, the RGB strip comes over here. The RGB strip at the moment is in my computer, which I will be showing you later all the lighting effects, but right now I gotta show you the accessories. In the box it comes with 4 90-degree mounts, 4 180-degree mounts, and 6 mounts. And then it comes with some adhesive, but the adhesive is not that great. I'll talk more about that later. Here's what the mounting plates look like. They're very high quality and really easy to install. And here's the adhesive. The RGB light strip is compatible with MSI Mystic Light, Aura Sync, RGB Fusion 2.0, Polychrome Sync via ASRock, and Razer Chroma. It connects to the 5-pin RGB header on your motherboard. Installation is really easy. All you have to do is use the adhesive to put the mounting plates onto the actual case, and then take the really flexible RGB strip and connect it to it. The RGB strip is not magnetic, so it will not ruin any of your parts. Here are all the lighting and effects of this RGB strip. Keep in mind that the colors look a lot better in person. My camera does not do a good job of picking up all the colors. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe with the bell notification on so you can see more videos when I upload them. Without further ado, enjoy the lights. Overall, I recommend this product 100%. If you really want to light up your system, want to make it look a lot better, and you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on RGB, this is for you. I'll give this 4.7 out of 5 baby Yodas. The reason why I'm not giving it a 5 is because the adhesive is not that great, and that's basically the only con to it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If there's anything you didn't like about the video, please leave it in the comments. I'm very open to improving my video in any way. But thank you for watching. If you like tech, PC stuff, subscribe. It's free and it helps a lot. Thank you, and bye.